Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit on a demo account in Exness. Here's how you do it. 1. Open the Exness app on your device. 2. Select the demo account you want to deposit into. If you want to switch accounts, click on the drop-down arrow and select the desired account. 3. After selecting the account, click on Deposit. 4. Enter the amount you wish to deposit into the demo account. 5. Once you've entered the amount, click Continue, and the deposit will be added to your demo account. You can refresh or simply close and reopen the app to see the update. If this video was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tutorials.